Hello Moverbase users! Today I'm really excited to show you a new feature on our website called the file system. Now the file system will allow you to digitize any paper documents that you may have. It will allow you to autofill lines and share them with your clients. These will be customizable documents that your clients can then download. And so I'm really excited to show you, and let's get started. So to start, we are going to click on the right hand side of the screen to Setup. Next, we will go to the right hand side of Files, and here we will see many options to upload, make a new file, and import a PDF. For this purpose of this demonstration, we will upload a file, find our file in the system, open it, and allow it to download. Now it will take a few seconds to allow this to download, so just please wait patiently. Alrighty, so once we have uploaded this file, we are going to go ahead and click on it. This will lead us to our file-based system. So once you click, you'll see File-Based. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see a lot of editing tools. On the top left, you see the Selector tool, you have the Data Field tool, the Text tool, the Polygon tool, the Shapes, the Circle, the Line tool. Those are all for editing. We can insert images, panning, and fill in line colors. Alright, so for autofill properties, we will use the Data Field tool. Now, the cool thing about the file system is that we have preset data fields that you can choose from. So you go to Select Detail, and then you find whichever one works best with the line you are trying to fill. In this case, we are looking for the pickup address. So the same thing works for the customer. You will select your detail, you'll autofill the line with the correct one. So in this case, customer is like contact. And then you continue throughout your whole document with these autofill properties. Alright, now if you want to just add a text tool and not autofill, you can do that as well. We will do that for additional stops and billing addresses. If you make a mistake, you could also delete. And let's fill those in as well. Alright, now we can actually manipulate this to preview documents and change the status. So we can have three statuses: draft, active, and disabled. You will need to activate your documents to be able to use them for your clients. With the job preview, you can click on a customer that you have to autofill the lines and see how the system autofills correctly. But to be able to use the file system, you need to make sure that the status is active and not in draft mode. You're going to then save and exit the file system. Alright, once you are back in your dashboard, you'll go to Jobs, click on a job that you want to see the documents for, click on Docs, and there you'll see your document. Now with this, you can share the document with your clients or customers. You can email them, you could preview the document, and you'll see all of the information filter in once you autofill in the lines that you need to. So this is a very cool function that we're excited to share with you that will hopefully make the process of filling in documents a lot more efficient for your company. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you use files accordingly. If you have any questions, reach out to us.